Good evening, sir. I'm Giancarlo Nabuhay, and this is my answer in Jean Piaget's theory po. Number one question is, give the four stages of Piaget's theory and what are the approximate ages for each. My answer is the four stages of Piaget's theory are sensory motor, and it occurs at the age of 0 to 2 years old. The stage of coordination of senses motor motor responses. Next is the pre-operational. It occurs in 2 to 7 years old, wherein it develops the cognitive of the child. And the third one is the concrete operational. It occurs in 7 to 11 years old. This stage it develops the sense of appreciation, and it also need the assistance since they are only younger. And the fourth one is the formal operational. It occurs in 11 years old and above. In this stage, the progress of cognitive development occurs when critical thinking occurs in the situation. And the next question is, how does Piaget define schema and how do they relate to cognitive development? Answer, according to Piaget's schema, to Piaget, schema is a pattern of learning, linking perceptions, ideas, and actions to make sense of the world. It needs more improvement of mind to construct ideas, plan, and action. The relatedness of schema to cognitive of an individual is that you have developed your mind for you to adapt and said pattern in schema. The next question is, what are the differences between assimilation and accommodation, and how do they contribute to learning? The answer is, the differences between assimilation and accommodation is something about the knowledge or development of idea. Assimilation refers interpret action of new idea that fit into existing knowledge of the children or child. And while the accommodation explained by Jean Piaget as the changes of the knowledge in order to cope with things that don't fit to the existing knowledge of frameworks, it contributes to the process of learning of the child day by day, adding another learnings to the well-being of the child. Next question is, how does environmental interaction affect cognitive development according to Piaget? Answer, according to Piaget, the cognitive development occurs when one factor among all factors occurs in a situation. He explained that the process of development affects by the sense of interaction. By interaction with one another, the process of adaptation happens. Means that the things that a child encounter, or he or she must do something to imitate it for him or her to satisfy the curiosity of their mind. The development of mental structure or schema must be developed, which can help to perform solving problem that can be seen in the eyes of the child. Next question, give your interpretation of this theory of Piaget and relate it to your future teaching profession. Answer, the theory of Jean Piaget interpret how do things and happenings to surroundings of a child affect the future development of a child's mental capacity. To relate this into my future profession, I foresee that someday I will be considered it as the path of knowledge for the students mental improvement. If that thing happen in the future, I will promise that I will be the one that guide to the future development, even if it is a small part of improvement. And that's all. Thank you, sir.